Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll take a look at the iPad Air M3, exploring its key features, user manual, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the iPad Air M3, USB-C power cable, power adapter, user manual, product overview, exploded view, orderable parts. The screws column below lists screws required for each part repair, including screws needed for any other parts involved in the repair. Specification. How to use. The setup process is quick and easy, covering basic settings, Wi-Fi connection, Apple ID sign-in, data transfer, and personalization. The iPad bright liquid Retina display with sharp details, accurate colors, and smooth visuals. It delivers an excellent viewing experience for videos, creative work, gaming, and everyday tasks. Touch ID provides fast and secure access to the iPad Air using your fingerprint. It allows quick unlocking, secure app authentication, and safe purchases with Apple Pay. How to connect. Go to Settings greater than Wi-Fi, select your network, and enter the password to connect. If it fails, check VPN settings, restart the iPad, try another network, or reset network settings to fix the issue. Connect a USB drive to your iPad using an adapter if needed, then access and manage files through the Files app. Easily view, copy, and transfer data between your iPad and external storage. Try a different charger, cable, or outlet if your iPad is not charging. Clean the charging port from dust or debris and perform a force restart if the issue continues. Smart features. Organize multiple apps and windows on your iPad Air for a more desktop-like workflow. Connect an external display through USB-C to expand your workspace and improve productivity. Use a USB-C hub to connect accessories like storage drives, keyboards, mice, and Ethernet adapters. Control your iPad Air and Mac with the same keyboard and mouse while moving files between devices. Connect a camera with a capture card and use the iPad screen for live preview and framing. Use Apple Pencil for precise writing, drawing, note-taking, and creative tasks. Vision, mobility, hearing, speech, cognitive, setup guide. Prepare for setup. Turn on and set up your iPad. Move from an Android device to iPad. Wake Unlock and Lock iPad. Unlock iPad with Face ID. Set up eSIM. Install a physical SIM. Manage cellular data service. Connect iPad to the internet. Networks and connect to Wi-Fi. Share a Wi-Fi password. Join a personal hotspot. Manage settings, Wi-Fi, and hotspots. Sign in to your Apple account. Change your Apple account settings. Set up iCloud. How to access iCloud. Sign into iCloud. Enable iCloud features. Choose app for syncing. Turn on iCloud backup. You're all set. About locating a device. See location your device on map. Locate a device in Find My on iPad. Play a sound on your device. Get directions to a device. Work with multiple windows. Resize and move windows. Open a second app or window. Minimize or close a window. Return a window to full screen. Arrange windows with tiling. Add a slide over window. Use and customize Control Center. Use and customize Control Center. Access more controls. Customize controls. Adjust the screen brightness. Adjust the screen brightness. Turn dark mode on or off. Move apps and widgets. Remove widget home screen. Reset the home screen and apps. Open an app on iPad. Open an app on iPad. Battery safety. Warning. Set up workspace for battery safety. How to handle batteries. How to handle battery thermal event. Broken glass safety. Camera settings. Access camera settings. Preserve camera settings. Formats. Record video. Lens correction. Camera privacy. Battery safety. Warning. Set up workspace for battery safety. How to handle batteries. How to handle battery thermal event. Broken glass safety. iPad battery usage and health. Battery usage information. System activity information. iPad gestures. Basic gestures. Control iPad and its apps using a few simple gestures: tap, touch and hold, swipe, scroll, and zoom. Advanced gestures. This guide explains common iPad gestures for navigating the home screen, switching apps, accessing controls, and more. Some gestures vary on iPads with a home button. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your iPad Air M3. See you in the next one.